is an episode of Hal's Information. Okay guys, this is Greenbird here. And before I say my information, I'd like to say that I've heard about that video, a long block in the middle. In fact, all Angry Birds are having a conversation with it. So, the director of these videos has decided not to do that. He changed his mind. This time, again. So, he is going... So, listen. If you've seen You've Been Killed episode, post a comment and then I shall know about that. Because then you would remember. But it appears that the director only is going to do another Angry Birds series. Angry Birds Star Epic Adventures. And guess what's going to happen? He wants to make it today, but unfortunately he can't because it's too late. And also he doesn't have Poppy, Luca, Willow, and Dahlia, and he only needs those 4 until he can make the series. So we should be able to do at least episode 1 on Christmas Day, hopefully. So you know what I'm saying. But really he is deciding when he's going to do it. He does not know when he's going to do it. But I hear that, well, most people who direct things are stupid. Just think girl's evil, she's not going to turn good. But the director doesn't know about that. The director knows that she isn't even evil in it. He thinks that girl being evil is a stupid idea. So instead he's thought of a better plan. Also, you know Luca, the director doesn't necessarily like him, so he's probably gonna he doesn't like him because he's so annoying. Besides, he saw this video where he screams and he had it completely turned up, so it kind of just like a bit like a damn. It was just too freaking loud. So he doesn't watch that video anymore. Well, whatever. But who cares? So it'll be out in December. He's hoping it's for Christmas. Besides, it's June now. The director has a calendar on his iPad, but he necessarily doesn't quite know. He doesn't oftenly check it because he thinks that it might get it wrong. So he's probably going to do it in a few months' time or something. Because I know the shortcut he got Gail was, well, the director's dad when he brought it from America, so he had to pay more than a text of Robodog. The director doesn't have one, but his sister does. And a Zoomer. It costs loads and hell out of money. So, he's not buying any more Angry Birds style plushes until they are available in England. If you know when they're available in England, say so. And then that way, I will know, and that way the director will know when to make them. But if you're just gonna not say so about that, you never insult the director, because he'll get mad at you and go completely trousers at you. Oh, and as I was saying, you know about the Angry Birds Stellar series. He doesn't necessarily like that. He doesn't. He kind of he doesn't watch any more Angry Birds Stellar videos anymore because he's a little bit mad at Rovio. So he hates Rovio. So I know he makes good games, but he doesn't like it anymore. So he doesn't watch any more Angry Bird videos made by stupid Rovio. So he doesn't like it anymore because they got him mad by making his love die in it. So he hates Rovio. And if you're Rovio, get off the YouTube channel or I'll rip off your heads. Really, you have to just have like a good weapon. Anyway, my news isn't over yet. One last thing to say before. Well, if any of you, listen, this is a bit mean, but just don't blame it on us. Listen, well, if you are watching a video and you want to like us of these videos, then that's good, because then this is, well, listen, you don't mind this, okay? You don't mind that this. Listen, if you see Rovio, tell it to get off. So, yeah, that's all the news.